Welcome to setting up an intelligent agent for high score in a quiz. So, what are intelligent agents? So, intelligent agents are going to be working as a teaching assistant in your course. And what they do is you can have them set automated messages. And while they may sound a bit complicated, setting up an intelligent agent is becoming quite popular among faculty. These agents can assist you, like I said, by sending out preset emails to your students on your behalf. So when your student meets the requirement, you create that email that is going to be sent. And then every time that student meets that criteria, that email is delivered to the student. So the different types of intelligent agents and the videos that I have will be student hasn't accessed your course for a specific number of days. The student has earned or has not met a particular grade. Student needs a reminder for completing an activity before the time runs out, midway checkpoint for a course, and releasing final grade. Congrats on finishing. So, those are the different types of intelligent agents I will be setting up. But in this one, I'm going to be talking about creating one for a congratulations on a quiz. So, let's dive in. So, in our example, we're going to be setting out that congratulations to our student for a job well done. In order to do that, you're going to have to either have a quiz that you're going to link it to or a grade item. So here I do have a grade item, but I'm going to be linking this one here to my quiz. Quiz one is there. So I'm going to go to more tools and I'm going to go to intelligent agents. And here I already have it drafted up, but what you would have to do is select new agent. So let's go take a look at how I did this. Give the agent a name, high score for quiz one. What I do is I skip over this, adding in the description first, and I'll show you why. I created a category because I'm going to create quite a few intelligent agents in this course, and I'm going to want this one to go into the category of quizzes so I can keep straight which ones are going to be in for quizzes, which ones are going to come into myself only. And I'm going to skip this for now. We can come back up to here. We're going to use a schedule because this is a quiz. Quizzes run one time only. The scheduling that you're going to run that agent is one time. And you're going to have to put in a date. So be very mindful of this. This quiz is going to open on this date here. So you're not going to want to have that run all the time. That's why using the scheduling is very important. I'm going to have the students write the exam here. I'm going to leave one date here to maybe allow for a student that hasn't written the exam yet. And then I'm going to start sending out these notices to the students. Congratulations, maybe on the 26th. And then you can pick in your time, be mindful of the time that you pick. And that's when that agent will go to the student. So then you're going to not want to have all users. You're going to select users with a specific role and you're going to select student. You're going to skip the login activity here and you're going to go in and you're going to create. Once you select create, you're going to select the condition type. So the condition type is here where, again, if you wanted to say, hey, congratulations for um, the grade that they passed on that, say, a midterm or something that the students didn't write within D2L, you could select that grade item. But this one here, we're going to select that score in a quiz. When you select the score, the list of quizzes that you have in D2L are going to open up. So you're going to find here's all the quizzes that are within D2L. You select that one that you want to add it to, which I have, which is quiz one. So then what I do is I highlight all of this and I copy it. And then that's what I paste here in my description. Very simple. Keep going and let's scroll through. So then next, let's go through the action panel. Before we get started through this action panel area, let's just click Save and Close. I want to cover something that I forgot to mention. You want to change your default reply to address. So click Settings, and here you can see that I've added my own email address. So what happens is the students get the email, And usually they'll write back and they'll say thank you or something like that. And if you don't change this and put your email, it's going to come into the D2L and then you may miss something that's fairly important. So make sure you add in your email address in there and click save. So now let's go back in and finish setting up this intelligent agent. So to continue back here in the actions area, because we're setting up this congratulations for this quiz, you're going to take action only the first time students write the quiz. They get one attempt. That's it. So then we're going to make sure that it's checked off, send the email when the criteria are satisfied. So the student meets the criteria, they get over a specific score that I've set, they're going to get the email. So here's where that email reply, you've got my email address. So now we're going to go through the stuff that may seem a little bit more complicated, but it isn't, I promise. So, what special email addresses can I use? How does D12 know, hey, this is the person's email? I can do that for you. So, what you're going to want to do is click on this, what special email addresses can I use? And you're going to want to copy that curly bracket. Just go copy. And that's what you paste here. That's it, nothing else. So then under the subject, you can put in a subject as well. Remember, this is going to be sent to the student. So what replacement strings can I use in the subject and the message? So we're going to bring this up here. And now you'll see that I've put in org unit name. So this is going to be what your course is called. So if it's called, you know, um, CO118, that's what the course name is, and that's what the student is going to see. So all I did in this one is I put in that org unit name. Of course, you have to add in the curly brackets. Well done. And for quiz one, because I'm going to send out ones for other quizzes and information within the course. Next, we're going to go down into the message of the email that's going to be sent out. Again, you're going to want to use a replacement string because I want to send that email and I want to have it personally greet that student. So here is where I get initiating user first name. So if I was your student and you were sending this email to me, what it's going to do is it's going to say, "Hi, Susan." So whatever the student's first name is registered in D12, that's what it's going to greet them with. You can grab other ones as well within your course. So I say, "Hi, congrats." And I've added a little couple emojis here. If you're not sure where they are, they're hidden over here, and you can just scroll through and add in the ones that you would like. And I just drafted up a little email that says congratulations to them. Now, I've also added in a meme. Now, if you're looking for some of these, if you've added the template package for orientation from me, I've added the intelligent agent memes into your course. I've got quite a few, and that way it'll save you some time from having to search for some. And I've just put in there, and then you can put in your signature however you want. And what I do is I switch the format to HTML, and then that looks like it's ready to go. And what you want to do is have status is enabled, and that's how you have it ready. Next, let's run that agent, and then let's see from the student point of view, what does it look like? So in this example, I'm going to show you what does it look like from the student's point of view. So here I'm going to go in and I'm going to go run now because I want this agent to run and I want to show you exactly what the student will see. So right now it's going to say no users, but it's going to be still running in the background. So what I did is I went into my class list, I impersonated one of my students, and I ran through that quiz. And I made sure I passed it. So you'll see that agent email that that student is going to see. And what you can do too is you can just let it run or you can just keep going in and refreshing. It doesn't take too long for it to actually go through. Now the user has been identified and you can click on that and you will see that my student Bruce has met the requirement. And here's what it'll look like. So let's go see what Bruce will see. So now if I go in and I impersonate Bruce again, here's the email that Bruce sees. You'll see it coming in and it does still come through from D12, but if he clicks reply, it's going to go into my email address. And that's how you want it to perform. And that's how you create an intelligent agent for a high score. Congratulations. Thanks for watching.